So what's your favorite drink on a cold fall day?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Let's do some hot chocolate stuff.
And today we're making delicious hot chocolate poke cake. Welcome to Recipe or Disaster.
We make the recipe for you and give it our review. You know this to be true. And you do. So I want to bring something up real quick. We had a thing going on where I was going to drink a smoothie. But I asked for everybody to give me 5 ingredients. How many ingredients did we get? 2 and 5. Let's do some math here.
Y'all, we need more ingredients. We got anchovies.
Anchovies and pesto.
Pesto.
All right. You know, that can be worked with. All right. But we need 3 more ingredients. 3 more.
So hook us up with 3 more ingredients so we can get him to drink that nasty smoothie.
Yeah, I couldn't do it this week. We only got 2 ingredients.
Exactly. But it's okay because we'll do it next week as long as we get 3 more ingredients.
Yes.
3. So we got anchovies, pesto. What are the other 3 ingredients?
Cat food does not count. You know who you are. That doesn't count. That's not a real ingredient in a real recipe.
Real food.
Nice try, though. That was a good attempt. I'll give you that.
Okay, ready?
I don't even know where we left off. Like we did the smoothie thing. All right.
Okay, back to today's recipe. Hot chocolate poke cake.
Yeah.
Let's be honest. It sounds fun.
It does. Sounds really good.
Love hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Love cake. And it's chocolate. Normally, I like to make homemade chocolate cake, but this recipe calls for a box cake.
Box cake.
Box cake.
Box poke cake.
We poked a box cake.
We poked the box cake. Yeah, we did.
We did.
Well, you poked the box cake.
So what you're going to do is you're going to bake the cake per the box recipe.
Bake the cake.
Bake the cake.
Yeah.
Just the way it says.
Yep. Let's get to that right now.
So you're gonna let that cake cool down, and then you're gonna poke some holes in it.
Poke it.
Poke it and poke it hard. Okay. All right, so now that you've made the cake and you poked your holes, you're gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of water into your marshmallow cream. Microwave that. I had to do 20 seconds, even though the recipe calls for 10. And pour it all over that cake. Then you're gonna take 2 whole cups of heavy whipping cream, and you're gonna just blend the crap out of that with some hot chocolate packets. 2 hot chocolate packets to be exact. Once those are all blended, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes. You're gonna get some soft peaks. I'm gonna throw that on top of that cake, and look at what you got.
What do we got?
Hot chocolate poke cake, baby.
Well, let's take a look at it. Here we go. This is what we got.
Hot chocolate poke cake. Come on.
Cake.
Looks so good. Since I did the cooking, you get to do the trying.
Wow, all right. I'm going to try it out here. Let's see what we got. It's okay.
That is not even too sweet.
It's okay.
What are you talking about? Okay. I think it would probably be better with like a homemade chocolate cake.
It's okay.
It's all like moist and yummy.
It's all right. If you love chocolate cake, I assume that you would like this a lot. If you love hot chocolate, you'd be a fan of this too. It's cold hot chocolate cake.
Maybe it would be better if it was warm still.
Yeah, maybe heat it up. Maybe, get some heat going on it. But then everything would melt. So I don't know. I don't know what you do with this. I mean, it's good for what it is. For what it is, it's...
Well, and you don't eat sweets. So for you, I don't think that you get to say.
Yeah, I really don't.
He doesn't.
It's middle of the road for me. I'm going to go 5 out of 10 on this one. Like middle of the road. Yeah.
But the frosting is really good.
Yeah, it's good, but it's not super rich or anything like that. It's just it's okay. It's all right.
I'm
5
going
out
to
of 10.
6 or a 7.
Okay. Well, which one?
Let me take one more bite.
One more bite should do it.
One more bite should do it.
Then we have the verdict.
I'd have to go 5 too.
Yeah, 5.
It's
okay.
It's good.
Store-bought chocolate cake from a box.
Now, I do like the
And with
frosting the
some-
most.
Yeah, the frosting is good. I'll give it that. Yeah.
So that
Frosting's good.
mixture, I just think it really needs like its own cake.
Yeah. Probably should make the cake from scratch. That would be good. Maybe sometime we'll try that. We'll, actually give it a good go. But you know how we do it on this channel. We
Follow the
go
recipe.
by the recipe. And they called for a boxed cake. So that's what we did. So there you have it.
My chocolate cake's way better than this.
All right, everybody. Well, thank you again for watching. And we will see you next week with another recipe coming at you. Recipe or Disaster out.